This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the adapter, the car on accessory power, and your phone ready. Start now. First, plug the adapter into the 12V socket or USB port. This supplies steady power and avoids audio dropouts. Once the adapter powers, watch for its LED or voice prompt so you know it entered pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable, because if it isn't, your phone won't see the adapter. When both indicators are active, move to pairing on your phone. You should see the adapter name on your phone. Tap it to pair. If a code appears, accept it or enter the common default like 0000 or 1234. This secures the connection. Once paired, open your phone's media player to test audio. Make sure media volume is up. Next, set your car stereo to the correct input. Choose Bluetooth or AUX, or match the adapter's FM transmitter frequency if that model uses FM. Now test both a voice call and streaming music to confirm stable audio and mic function. Adjust phone and car volumes so calls are clear without distortion. If you lose audio or the adapter won't connect, turn Bluetooth off and on, unpair and repair, or power cycle the adapter. This fixes most transient issues. If problems continue, check for a firmware update or companion app for the adapter, because outdated firmware can cause incompatibility. That single update often restores reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.